Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking a hot mess, but it's all good. For those of you who don't know, my name is Jessica. Today's video, I'm gonna have a snack haul and then just a little mini haul from Kroger's. But we are gonna decorate a tier tray. Well, I'm gonna attempt to decorate a tier tray, y'all. So I don't know how good it's gonna go. So without further ado, let's get started. Thank you for coming to my channel. I appreciate, I'm a newbie at this, but I appreciate everything, and I feel blessed for whoever is coming to my channel and watching my videos, and I thank you with my whole heart, my whole soul, and whatnot. So I appreciate that. So let's get started. Alright, y'all gonna be a little bit crooked right now. Still trying to figure this camera stuff out. Okay. I have two tier trays here. Actually, I think they're both they're both from Hobby Lobby. Both of these are from Hobby Lobby. But for in today's video, I'm just gonna attempt to decorate this one, guys. So let's get started. As you can see, I have all this tier tray stuff and some snacks over here. Y'all want one though? Some Reese's. Okay. Let's get started. This is so cute, guys. This is another package I was waiting on. It had these little figurines in it. If you've seen my Amazon haul and what I ordered. But these are different ones I had just got in yesterday. Aren't these the cutest? The cutest. Okay, well. Okay, here's the tier tray. Let's see what we can do with this. Let's work it out. Okay, let's get started. First purple. Can y'all see? That might be too big.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. We live it like this could be a final day. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime.
am not good at this, y'all. I can see it now.
Nighttime is something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes and tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. Yeah, we come
Take things from different parts of the house.
What's your story?
That'll work.
What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. We live it. We're dreamers. Doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes and tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime.
Oh, these are frustrating. Guys, these are frustrating.
We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when you do.
We're gonna switch back to the other one, guys. This is real. This is real life right here. Decorating a dinner tray is not easy at all. It seems easy, but it's not.
We
It's
come
not.
alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes and tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. We live it. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive.
Okay, guys, this is what I came up with. Got the little gnome shells, or gnome shells, the little gnomes that go on a shelf actually, but that's what I came up with. These things are not easy, guys. Like, I'm just like, look, all this stuff that I have, whatever, but that tier tray, I'm gonna have to go buy some littler ones, but I do have another tier tray in my storage, so I can use this or just gift it to one of my grandbaby's mom or something. But yeah, so that's the final look, guys. Oh, hold on, can't see.
depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive.
Okay, guys, I switched out the buffalo check because there's so much like black and white in the tier tray, so I wanted to switch it out with a runner I had got from Dollar General. So this is what it looks like.
Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells
So yeah, guys, this is what I came up with. Tier trays are not easy, guys. So don't give nobody any bad comments or say anything about their tier trays or anything like that, because it is hard. It really is. But I'm proud of what I've done. I think it looks cute. Everybody, you know, they have different opinions. They have different types of decor and different styles and stuff like that. But this is what I like, and this is what I came up with. So like, share if you want to, and I would love to have you subscribe and come over and join with me. And if you want to follow me on Instagram at Gallagher Jessica 55. Thanks for watching, guys. So I have a little grocery haul, I should say snack haul. Starting over here, I got some TGI Fridays potato skins, cheddar and bacon, some Doritos, some movie theater flavored popcorn, some blueberry fruit and grain breakfast bars, some toast and pop-ups, some caramel coconut cookies. These are so good, by the way. Some Chips Ahoy chewy cookies, some sunflower kernels. These are my favorite, actually. Some, y'all know, some extra toasty Cheez-Its. Grab some more cheese. Got some vanilla snack packs for my husband's lunch. Some diced peaches. Strawberry and banana light for my husband. Grab some Oscar Mayer oven roasted turkey for sandwiches. And I've never tried these, so I wanted to see if they're any good. I'll let you know. Carrot cake Oreos. I like carrot cake, so maybe they are good. My husband grabbed these, just regular vanilla cookies. And then I grabbed these as well. They just have different ones in there. Got some eggs and some bread. My husband drinks these because he can't have pop or anything. So got 3 of the black raspberry and 2 of the strawberry watermelon. Got some Capri Suns, the Pacific Cooler ones for my daughter. 2 packs of waters. Coming over here, I got me some slippers. Grabbed these little containers. They were only $1 for his lunches. Grabbed some more freezer bags for his lunches as well. Got some more masks for my daughter for school and of course for us. Grabbed some Nivea lotion. Grabbed some, my husband's a diabetic, so I had to grab him some of this for his feet. Grabbed our cat Phoenix some snacks or some treats, and I found this. It was on sale for $5, so I could clean my TV off. And coming over here, I got 2 of these shirts, one for me, one for my daughter. And then me and my husband have shoes that are like this color. So I grabbed one and he grabbed one as well. Plus we like to watch Friends. But yeah, guys. So that's my little snack haul / a few things that I needed for the house. Hey guys, had to go to Kroger's. I was out of my... This is what I drink in the mornings with the caramel macchiato creamer as well, and it's so good. And if you don't buy 3 at a time, they run out so fast at Kroger's, it's ridiculous. So I grabbed some Reese cups and a 12. They say 12 equals 30, but yeah, okay. Bounty paper towels. My husband needed some of his kind of toothpaste, and I always pick up extra Lysol wipes because I use these guys on everything. And my daughter requested some conditioner because she said she had some dandruff, so I grabbed her some conditioner. So yeah, just a little mini haul, not much.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We Somehow